You're rolling.
Hey, look at my big boy here.
What you got there, Bonnie?
Bass on my frog.
Froggy. Oh, a bass on a froggy. Nice job.
He is so big. I had him hooked good too.
You got anything you want to say to Doug Dean?
This is how it's done, Doug Dean. This is how it's done. Look at that big baby. I ain't got nothing to measure him with.